Today, I am going to demonstrate how to make ensaymada, starting with our dry ingredients, 5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of white sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Wet ingredients, starting with our yeast mixture, 1 1/4 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and 1 tablespoon of white sugar. Butter mixture, 5 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. So this is our yeast mixture. All mixed in, we had to wait for it to rise. So now, let's pour this in. And this is our butter mixture. And it's not mixed, it's just poured in. And now, our flour. Next, our sugar. And then, lastly, our salt. So we're going to use the bread maker to make the dough, and we are going to wait for 1 hour and 30 minutes. The dough is all ready, as you can see, but first let's sprinkle some flour on the surface. Now, let's take it out. I've just started kneading, so let's just continue to knead for a few more seconds. After kneading, we will slice the dough up into 4 parts. To make an ensaymada, take a small piece and roll it like this, as long as you want, and then we will make a spiral-like shape. Then, let's tuck this in. On our pan. We are done forming our ensaymada. So what we're gonna do is cover this up with a lid or cheesecloth if you prefer, and wait for 4 to 6 hours to rise. The dough has fully risen, and now what we're gonna do is bake. Set the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit in 25 minutes. Our ensaymada is all done, all baked over there, and we have our 2 ensaymada here. And before I forget to mention, your ensaymada can have any shape. It can be round, and it can also be the classic spiral-like shape. So this one has toppings already. It has melted butter, brown sugar. I chose brown sugar because I already used white sugar for the dough, and cheese. Now, you're going to be putting the same stuff on this melted butter. Brown sugar. You can put as much as you want. And then our cheese. And we are finally done. For Filipino Ensaymadas, thank you for watching and have a great day.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to EBC Digital Nest to find purpose in the simple joys of life.